is up, my kings and queens? It's your girl, Miss Maria J. We're back with another vlog. I know I had to take some me time off from YouTube, but I'm back, y'all. It's Halloween. And I'm in college. So we're just going to leave it at that. Let's go ahead and get to the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram at Miss.Maria That's MS.MARAJ. Don't forget to follow my YouTube Instagram at Queens World TV. That's Queens World TV _. And let's get into the video. Mean Girls, like very much Regina George, like that's your Halloween outfit? Yeah. No, it's not. Anyways, it's Miss Maria J. And we running errands today. Real bad.
Always though. Always.
Real bad. Here you go. Thank you. Amaria. Thank you.
My pleasure. Have a good one.
You you too. Like, dang, she finna take me out.
Oh my pleasure.
Dang, she was finna get hit. Dang, girl, let me start right quick. Love the fast service, but we don't want no case, boo.
Case?
My mama just added me on the insurance. First stop, because we definitely saw a sale. Yeah, and we need that. Yes, y'all see that seal? Hey. I'm sorry. Thing wasn't so like loud. Like I could never I don't know. I could never do like the bikini and I don't know what hip hugger is.
That's too high.
Wait, they got lavender. Hold on, I need it. Anything lavender, I gotta have it. I don't care. Y'all see these? See how thin this is? These are not for the thick girlies. They be ripping when I put them on. And it be my size. It be a medium large. It be my size.
They work for me. Child. They work for me. But I like this lighting. This lighting kind of cute. Screenshot us.
I swear I had 10, y'all. Like,
right. So she only got 9.
One more.
So hashtag she can't count.
Oh, wait. What?
Right. Right.
And just when you thought I was done, I'm getting 20. They got cheetah thongs. Come closer, come closer. Look at this shot. Oh my God. Wait, we allowed to say money long, cheetah thong, thick as hell. Georgia down, share, nigga, share, clown. I don't know what shot you got. And in case there was any confusion, I secured my 10 for 31 2 times. And I got a cheetah thong. Cause I'm thick as hell like Jordan on. Period. Y'all know where we at. Favorite beauty supply. And they give us student discounts. Love here. Y'all, I came here for some more earrings. But they got new lip glosses. Literally. Dad. Do you see this? Yeah, I think I need it.
Y'all, we never played. We never played when it came to the packages. Cause yes, we did check the
we follow the truck.
Yeah.
And then we get to the UPS store and they like, oh, it's not on the truck. We leave and come back. Caitlin was here. And she was like, oh, I just got my package. And he had it on the truck. But they live in the same apartment. So if you had her package,
Then you got my package. And yeah, John came back. Yeah, never played. Corella DeVille.
And now we got stuff to do while they playing with our time.
We do.
Oh my God.
It's scared. It's hibernating. It's scared, bro.
We just seen the turtle.
I'm marking.
We are now going here. Y'all, when I say plucking took literally 2 hours. This wig is so thick. And I didn't want to pluck over pluck, so I had to take my time. Because then the wig would have been looking a mess. And I can't be out here looking a fool. So, no. We had to take our time with that. But now I'm styling it. So we're getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere. So I had to rush to Kay and Shani house. This sentence gonna come out real fast. Y'all pay attention. Yes, I'm still in my band 4-hour moment. But I had to rush here because the water in my room was out all day. And then when they turned it back on, the water was brown. I gave her 3 hours, run the water again. It was still brown. I'm not taking a shower in that. So we're here so I can take a shower and get ready for the night. Because today is just beginning. Oh, there I go. Hey, let me see. Period. This cute. Hey, that's cute. Get into the fit, guys. It's Lola Bunny. But that shit sweet, though. Lola. She was sweet. Okay. Wait, what? Wait, because why was moving?
It is currently 2:20 a.m. and I'm eating pizza and drinking water before I get in the shower and go to bed. Delicious. Shit.
So we're going to turn this into a weekend vlog because I just feel like, I've been gone for a while. Maybe y'all should see my whole life, for a weekend. I'm going home tomorrow, so stay tuned. Okay, y'all. I have a conference call to get on before class at 11. So we're about to do that. Then I'm going to load up my car before class and head on out to go home. Thankfully, this is not a Zoom call, so I can wear my bonnet still because I'm changing my hair from how it was last night. I have class in 40 minutes, which leaves me 30 minutes. Or 35 because it's a 5-minute walk. To pack up my car. Because I'm not coming back to this room after class, so let's go ahead and handle that. And then on top of that, she literally had my phone.
She did have your phone because you was asking me where your phone was.
So y'all, my mama got me stopping while we trying to get home. She wanna go get some popcorn.
And she want 2 bags. Not just 1.
2 bags. Okay. We got the popcorn. And the fam is famming.
You already know.
Y'all come for the tailgate?
Look.
Oh, Lord, set the camera.
We are surprised at her last football game of the season.
Yes, look at the jacket. Yes.
Did.
Yeah.
Yup. Big alumni, whichever one y'all want to call it. Nothing like being back in Clecco. This is where I really started acting the fool. Like, y'all just don't know. I don't know who's gonna get it back
I'm
from.
finna say, well, let me back.
I just don't know.
He got.
First down. Lions. Ball spotted on the Panthers, 21-yard line. Come on.
What it's for? No flag on the
Unsportsmanlike conduct against the Lions.
bull crap. Bull crap. Show me the footage. Show me the footage. Let me watch it. Let me watch it. Show me the footage. Can we get a
For 739. Point to the front gate.
Oh my God, it's killing me.
Let's go.
Offside. Against Forest Park.
Go Ashley. Go Ashley. Ice cream man. He's sticking his heart out. So y'all know I be going to get waxed when I come home. I had no idea they had this new policy that you can't do a walk-in after 3 o'clock, and it's 2:40, and it's a 20-minute drive. Y'all, I'm going to cry if I can't get no wax today. Like, book with Jada at Ivana's Garden, and if you don't book with Jada, I mean you'll still be in good hands, but book with Jada. My hair longer than this. It's called shrinkage. Just want y'all to know. Girl, you gonna turn the camera on? We at Shit Malay. My favorite. Alright, alright. Hello? You don't get on that before I get on that. Soon as she get her food, she jump in the bed talking about a nap. I get a nap if I want a nap. Now what? Do you need that? You can get that.
What do you need that?
You can get that. You need that.
You better sleep with one eye open.
Girl!
Welcome to the Ram Boys Tailgate. This is how we do NFL Sunday. Ain't no other way to do it. Y'all know who I'm with. Hey, my brother, hey, y'all. Hey. Big ain't very much big, man. We mashing. We mashing. We won.
Let me tell you something. Fuck with her, you gonna die yesterday.
Dirty Bird Nation, rise the fuck up. Alright, y'all, and it's now Monday, 9:38 a.m. and I just got back to the Alabama State University. And so I'm about to go up here, do my hair, because I clearly did not do my hair when I got up this morning. And then get ready for class at 11. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Miss.Amariaj. That's ms.amariaj. Follow my YouTube page at Queens World TV. Stay tuned for more videos. Be blessed.